In this video, I'll show you how to use Helium 10's follow-up automation tool to get more reviews on your Amazon product listing, as well as seller feedback. With over 10 years of experience, I know how crucial reviews are for growing a brand and boosting your product's potential. I'll explain how the tool works, its costs, and the best strategies for using it, as well as some advanced tips that aren't widely shared online. The tool is called the Follow-Up tool, and it's located at the top of Helium 10's dashboard, which is worth getting a platinum account for as it offers a lot of value. If you click on Show All Tools, you'll find a lot of useful features that you can access with just a platinum account. You can get a discount on the account by following the link in the description below. And with it, you'll have access to learning modules, step-by-step video tutorials from the team, and more content that our channel will be posting about Helium 10 and Amazon FBA. In addition to the follow-up tool, you also have access to various other tools such as analytic tools, listing optimization tools, product research tools, and more. These tools include keyword research, learning resources, and operational tools like email automation. If you are a private label seller or considering becoming one, you'll have access to even more data and tools. There's a discount code available which is FreedomPass20, which gives 20% off your first 6 months, or Freedom Pass 10 for 10% off for life. I'll leave a link in the description as well as a pinned comment for your convenience. Product reviews are crucial for a successful launch on Amazon, especially during the initial period when Amazon customers assesses the product's trustworthiness. A large number of organic reviews can significantly improve a product's ranking, leading to more customer impressions and views of the product's listing. With a well-designed product listing, including A+ content, HD images, and other details, the click-through rate can be improved. If the product page is complete and well organised, conversions are likely to follow, depending on the product's quality and ease of use. The follow-up tool is useful because it allows you to send customised emails to customers after a purchase. You can choose the date the email is sent from 1 to 29 days after the purchase and ask customers for feedback on the seller, product, or even both. This can help you get more reviews, but it might also get you some bad reviews. If you have a good product, you should consider using this feature to ask for feedback. So today I will show you how this tool works from an order perspective. Since I've just started using this tool for a new product, you won't see any ratings yet, but I have received 113 requests so far out of my 366 orders. As my product is in the clothing category, people may take some time to leave a review. If you have a product that can be reviewed immediately, such as a physical item like a phone case or a charger, you might see a higher number of reviews. This tool has email templates and video guides that can help you use it effectively. Be sure to go through these guides provided by Helium 10 to learn how to use the tool step by step. They might use email automation templates differently than I do, but it's still useful. The platform provides templates that can be customised. I created a custom template a month ago, and now I use email automation for various tasks such as product reviews, seller feedback, and any products that have been returned. I have an automation for product reviews and seller feedback. Sometimes seller feedback can be helpful even if it's negative, as it can be easily removed from the Amazon's Seller Central by going into your feedback and requesting its removal, and 9 times out of 10 they'll usually strike it through. However, removing negative feedback on your products can be more challenging. To find this section, go to your Amazon seller account and at the top left drop-down menu, go all the way to Performance, then click Feedback Manager. As you can see, most of the time they're good seller ratings, but in some cases the delivery may not be on time or even delivered in my example. But as you can see, Amazon have taken full responsibility and have striked it through. Sometimes Amazon will not always strike these through, so it's important to check this daily. It's essential to monitor seller feedback to remove any negative comments and keep the algorithm happy, as well as messaging the customers who have left any negative feedback, either on your seller feedback or product reviews. As unhappy customers usually want to be contacted back for a refund or settling any issues, and then you can offer them fantastic customer service, which may result in them removing the negative feedback they have left. To deal with negative feedback on product listings, you can't do much unless it breaks the terms of services. in which case you can explain the reason and ask the customer to remove it. I have an automation set up that sends a review request 10 days after an order is delivered. It sends an email with a message saying thank you for the order and asking for feedback. The email also includes a link to leave feedback and a contact us option. This template can be used for seller or product feedback as well. You can customise this template to fit your needs. If you don't want it to look like this, you can change it in many ways. I keep my messages short and to the point, such as, we hope you're happy with the product, and if there is any chance you have the time to leave us a review, it greatly helps our small business. If there is any issues, then please contact us immediately. You could also include, if it's a physical product that requires instructions, you could include those too. I don't have any product ratings to show you, but email automation works similarly. It waits 10 days and then sends an email to the customer. You can delete or change this template and even add filters to target specific customers, like those who have left negative feedback or have even returned the product. Usually, those customers who are happier and haven't returned your product might actually be more willing to leave a review, and you can set this automation up for specific SKUs, marketplaces and so on. Again, I only have one SKU set up right now, but this is a great way to do things. This is essentially how the setup works. Go to follow up at the top of Helium 10, then make your way to email automation, then click new automation, then you can select whichever template you desire, but now I will click create a new automation. Now you'll have something preset which will be discount. Click below and add a new filter. Here you will have many options such as marketplace, channel, SKU and so on. For this video I'll select SKU and I'll delete the discount. Make sure when you enter the SKU it's the one that will match your Amazon's product on Seller Central. Now you can select automation timeline and select which option you want. I'll have mine for order delivered, then add a new action which is called wait. You can select from 1 day all the way to 29 days. For this I'll select 10 days wait time after the product's been delivered, then press add action. Now I'll add the final new action which will be send email. Because you're selecting a new SKU, you'll need to have an email template already saved. If you do not have one set up, go to email templates. You can click new email template. This is where you can create an email template yourself. For example, you may write a nice message asking that they have received the product and are they enjoying it, or instructions, a review for the product, discounts and so on. Personally, I'm setting it up to simply write a nice message if they've received the product and are they enjoying it, and if they would be kind enough to leave a review for my product. You could create different automation paths depending on the scenario. So let's say, for example, you want to target customers who have already bought your product. You could create different automation paths depending on the scenario. So let's say, for example, you want to target customers who have already bought your product. Now you want to offer the customer a discount to receive 25% off of the same product or other products you may have. So the setup I'm using is just a basic product and seller feedback request. This is a simple way to use the tool to help get reviews. I'll probably make a follow-up video in a few months to show how many reviews I actually get from it. If you believe in your product and you know it will get good reviews, this is a great strategy, just like the Vine program, which if you don't know how to do, then please visit our channel and check that video out. Vine, which offers around 30 reviews depending on what tier you decide to go with that suits your budget, but you should only use these tools if your product is solid. Poorly made or misleading product can lead to bad reviews and that can hurt your listing. Use this tool wisely. I think it's really useful, especially for people in my community. I know many of you are building strong brands with great images and well-written descriptions. Whether it's health products or fitness, your products make great gifts, which is something people will actually appreciate. So again, if you really believe in your product, this is definitely a tool worth using. And if you're unsure about any of these steps, don't worry, there are built-in guides for each section. You can also create and save your own templates, which is super helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And if you want to try it out, but don't have Helium 10 yet, there's a discount link below. And if you're enjoying our content or thinking about selling on Amazon, I have some exciting news. We also have a full step-by-step course on how to sell on Amazon FBA. If you are serious about selling on Amazon, Our course will teach you everything from finding your first product all the way to launching your first product. We also have a community for our course after signing up. This is where you can share any questions or keep up to date with any valuable information we share for all of our Freedom Pass family members, as well as our clients' results. If you like the sound of that, head over to myfreedompass.com/Amazon FBA. I really hope to see you become a part of our family here at Freedom Pass. So that's pretty much it. If you'd like tutorials on Helium 10 tools or Amazon FBA, just leave a comment below and I'll do my best to get a video as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos.